Welcome to Technology Point. In the last video we have seen about how to enable a table. In this video we will see about how to describe and alter a table using the Apache hbase. Okay, I will show you a small PPT. The command to describe the table is describe and then the table name. Once we type the describe table name, it will describe the schema of the table. Okay, and the alter uh, to alter a table we have like alter commands. If you want to set the table to a read only format, we can do that, and we can also do like alter, like deleting a column family by using the you have like column family name as personal data or professional data. What are the column that you don't want in your table, you can delete by using the alter command. Okay, we will see both of the things in the cloud lab. I have already logged in into the Apache hbase. The command to do login into the Apache hbase is hbase and then space shell. Once you type that, you will get a greater than symbol, which denotes that you have successfully logged in into the Apache hbase. Now we will list the tables that is available in the Apache hbase. We have like 5 tables that already exist in the Apache hbase. Now I am going to like describe a table name called emp. Once I hit on the enter, it will describe the table emp. It has shown with the column families description. First family name is personal data and the second family name is professional data. In that you will have like row, version, in memory, false, keep, deleted cells, data, block, encoding, none, time to live forever, and then compression is equal to none, minimum version and is equal to 0, block catch is equal to true, and the block size which is like 65 536, which is the block size for our personal data column family. Okay, and the same as for like professional data column family, we can also modify the like alter the datas present inside the um, column family. Okay, by giving the alter command and then the personal like alter command on the column family. Once we provide the column family, we need to provide with the version or like time to live, all those things we can do using the alter command. Okay, for we will do a alter for like alter emp. I'm going to set it for the read only mode. Okay, it throws some error. I'll check what is the error. Okay, alter and then the read only. We need to provide the read only in the capital letters. Once we provide the read only in the capital letters, it will set the table to read only mode. Once we type the read only mode, alter table employee into read only, it will set the table into read only mode. Now we can do a describe on emp. The describe on emp will shows that it has set to a read only mode for the table which we have created name called employee. It has created a column family called read only, which means that our employee table is now set to read only. Okay, and now we will do a delete specific, like delete a specific column family. Okay, to delete a specific column family we need to type alter space emp comma and then the column name that we are going to delete. The column name I am going to delete is personal data. Once I type that, it will update uh, the regions. Once the regions are updated, we can do a describe emp. Once we do a describe emp, it has deleted the column family name called personal data, which we have already like personal data as well as professional data. The personal data column family is now deleted in the apache hbase database table. Okay, in this video, like we have seen about the describe the particular table by describing the schema. We have checked the describing the schema, and we have done with the alter table command. Once we do alter by, like, we are setting the employee table to read only, and we have deleted a particular column family, specific column family, using the alter command. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe and comment my videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.